Hello kids. Ah. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for ink. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nuts. O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for table. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for water. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yoga. Where is Z? Z. Z for zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 10. Okay, thank you kids.